It's time to send out stimulus checks. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's John Miro back again with another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I think it's time that we take action. I think it's time that the Biden administration gets their things together and get these stimulus checks out. So what we're doing in this video is we're going to take the time to literally fill out a petition and show our support for you guys out there who are needing a stimulus check. We can't wait on them to do something. They have so many proposals going on. They're trying to pass this, they're trying to pass that, but guess who's suffering in the midst of them doing that? It's the American people. Why not go ahead and send out these checks so people can get the help that they need? We can't help that inflation has skyrocketed. We can't help these gas prices. We can't help that groceries are costing so much. I mean, it literally costs a ton of money just to fill up our car or just to fill up a cart of groceries to survive for the week, for a couple of weeks, or for the month. We've got to put food on our table. We've got to put gas in our cars so we can go to work or we can go get our medication or things that we need, and there's no help being given out. And I think it's time that we do something about that. I'm not just going to say it, I'm actually going to do it. So I'm going to show you guys that I really do care about y'all and I want to make something happen. And I've actually done this once, but I'm going to do it again with a different email because I want to show my support and love for you guys. You guys mean so much to me, and that's why I take the time to do these videos, because I want to help you guys out. Guys, there's so much news going on. You don't want to miss this video, so stay tuned until the end because it's money that could be going in your pocket. So right here, tell your leaders what is important to you. Sign a petition. Petition to Congress. Provide Social Security recipients a $1,400 stimulus check. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. All right, guys, so here's the petition. It's just telling you that they would provide a $1,400 stimulus check to those on Social Security. And this is my information. I've blocked out my email just for privacy reasons. And I'm going to show you guys right here. Sign the petition and boom, it's already done. And to show you some more proof, all right guys, there it is. There's the proof. Thank you, John. Thank you for adding your voice in support of legislation that protects seniors. I really do care about you guys, and I want to show some love and support to let you know that someone is in your corner that's going to do something to help you guys and give you the most up-to-date information. You guys mean so much to us, and we couldn't do this without you guys. So thank you so much for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. And I want to leave you with one more tip. I found something that is awesome that a lot of states are doing. A lot of states have said, you know what? We're going to try to take care of our citizens. We're going to try to take care of our people. We're going to try to send them out some money so it can help them with this inflation. Let's check this out. All right, guys. So there's some stimulus checks that they're trying to send out. And this information is dated for today, March 24th, 2022. Stimulus checks for inflation. Here are the states planning to send money to residents. You guys have been asking for information, and here are the states that's going to provide you with some stimulus checks. This was as today, March 24th, 2022. Roughly a dozen states are proposing sending tax rebate checks to their residents to offset the highest inflation in 4 decades, with lawmakers on both sides of the aisle pointing to high gas and food prices as prompting their actions. Among them is Georgia Governor Brian Kemp, a Republican, who is on Wednesday signed a law to send checks up to $500 to state residents. The reason, he said in a statement, is to soften the impact of the inflation on household budgets and also return some money amid a record state budget surplus. These guys are doing what they can to take care of you guys. If you're in these states, they're going and making an action to say, you know what? If Congress, if the Biden administration, if they're not going to do something, then we're going to step up and we're going to take care of our people. And I'm going to tell you something, I appreciate that. So here are the states that are going to send out some stimulus checks. You've got California, you've got Georgia, you've got Hawaii, you've got Idaho, you've got Indiana, you've got Maine, you've got Minnesota, you've got New Jersey, you've got New Mexico, And shout out to those in New Mexico. That's actually where we're from. So shout out to you guys. New York, Virginia. And that's it, guys. Those are the states as of right now. I promise these people have got things moving, and other states are going to see this and say, you know what? We need to jump on board and we need to take care of our residents. So stay tuned for more information to come. If you have any questions about this article, about this information, the link will be down in the description below. If you try to click on it to see the information for your state, then let me know, because sometimes those links, they don't act right. But these are stimulus checks that they're working on, passing a bill to get you residents a stimulus check to help you with this inflation, which is amazing. I'm so grateful because you guys need the help. You guys deserve the help, and let you know that John Miro is on your side. All right, guys, that's all the time we have for today. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Don't forget about that huge giveaway that we're doing when this channel hits 60,000 subscribers. You don't want to miss it. Enter in for your chance to win some free money. And until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace.